Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block those annoying cookie consent notices in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is open and you can see your main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into Brave's configuration area where you can customize how your browser behaves. Once you're inside the settings page, look over at the left panel of your screen. You'll see a list of different categories and options. From this panel, click on Shields. This is where Brave keeps all its privacy and blocking features, and it's an incredibly powerful tool for controlling what content gets through to your browsing experience. The Shields feature is one of Brave's strongest assets for maintaining a cleaner, faster web experience. Now that you're in the Shields section, look for an option labeled Content Filtering and click on it. This area contains various filtering lists that Brave can use to block different types of content across the web. What's great about this feature is that it gives you granular control over what gets blocked without needing any technical knowledge or browser extensions. Once you're in the content filtering section, you'll see several checkbox options for different types of blockers. Look for the one that says Cookie Notice Blocker and check the box beside it. By enabling this option, you're telling Brave to automatically hide those repetitive cookie consent pop-ups that appear on almost every website you visit. This dramatically improves your browsing experience by removing those interruptions that slow you down and clutter your screen. After you've checked that box, you'll want to make sure everything is up to date. Click on Update Lists. This action ensures that Brave downloads the latest version of the cookie notice blocking rules, which means you'll have the most current and effective blocking available. The lists are regularly updated by the community to catch new cookie notice formats as websites change their designs. And that's it, you've successfully configured Brave browser to block annoying cookie consent notices. Your browsing experience should now be much cleaner and less interrupted. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.